So what is this called again anyway?
Air fryer.
Guys, this is a air fryer. What kind? Power Air Fryer XL. So you add a little bit of oil in there. Coconut oil in this case. This is how the inside looks over here. So you gotta put in this pot first, and then obviously the pot's gonna go inside of here. Okay, so now open this, put the pot in. So pressing power button, and this is your temperature right here. So control the temperature right there. And oh no, that's the time, and then the temperature's on the right side. So there you go, 370 Fahrenheit. The fan is going, so that means, obviously it's working fine. And then we just wait. So set your timer and then your temperature, oil, and then put in the product, and that's it. Then you're just waiting for 12 minutes. We have it on set to. Yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share. Check out links in the description. Peace out.